Happy Monday, everybody. The portfolio is sitting at $12,258.43. We did finish down $81 today. We are green on the week, up $15. On the month, we're up $119. 3 months, we're up $854. Year to date, we're up $238. 1 year, up $2,600. And all time, we're up 3,800 or 46%. Taking a look at our crypto, we are green on pretty much everything. We got Bitcoin, Trump, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Cardano. The portfolio is going to be looking different. I have been taking recommendations from you guys for our challenge videos. We've been doing every one subscriber gained. We have been investing $1 extra into the portfolio. So that's why there is some random ones in the portfolio, some stocks and crypto that you guys haven't seen in the regular videos. That is why we have some stragglers in the portfolio just with a couple dollars in it. It is because of the challenge video, and I will be doing some video updates on which one of those are performing the best. But let's change this to total return. We are down all time on all of our crypto. Except for Bitcoin, we're up $1.19. Changing it to total return on our stocks and ETFs. We're going to start from the bottom. DJT, YMAX, Dollar General, and NAC were your guys' suggestions for our challenge videos. We are up 84 cents on NAC, 8 cents on Dollar General, we're down 2 cents on YMAX, and $1.68 on DJT. Looking at the normal portfolio, up $48 on JEPQ, down about $1 on Triple Q, up 94 cents on Johnson & Johnson, up 81 on Snap-on, up about $1,200 on VU, $200 on ExxonMobil. We are still in the red with Realty Income, down $11, and then we are up $121 on SPHD. I still am debating on going into SCHD, selling my SPHD and going into SCHD and going pretty hard into SCHD. I was thinking about taking some of my recurring investments and consolidating them down into fewer daily recurring investments, but I do like Realty Income, Johnson & Johnson. I'm loving Triple Q. I love Snap-on too, but it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to consolidate some of these, so that's why I think I'm just going to leave the recurring investments for now. But I am thinking about going into SCHD, putting all my SPHD into there, and upping the recurring investment to maybe $3 a day or $4 a day. Looking at the portfolio, there is nothing new besides the challenge video stocks and cryptos. Portfolio has been... It's been up and down recently. Dollar General did have a great week last week. We are up 8 cents on that. But looking at the week, they are up 5%. That is very, very good if you go to, or if compare it to VU. On the week, they are only up 0.72%. But yeah, amazing day, or week and day for Dollar General. So I'm thinking about adding Dollar General to the recurring investments to scoop up some of that while it is a little lower, but looking at the month, they're down 3%, then the 3 months are down almost 10%, and then they are red on the year to date at 6%, 3.29% dividend yield, so a very good yield, and maybe it's a good time to get in. I'll be eyeing Dollar General up 100%, and I wanted to show Johnson & Johnson as well. Johnson & Johnson had an amazing day, up 4%, and then on the week as well, they're up 4%. 1 month, up 6.65%, so Johnson & Johnson has definitely been bouncing back, but looking at the 3 months, the 1 year, they are red, but year to date, they are green, up 5.49%. Johnson & Johnson definitely been on a little ripper in 2025. I do only have a $1.47 total return, but we have been dollar cost averaging into this since March of last year, so slowly adding my Johnson & Johnson, buying the dips, and hopefully we'll see some good returns from Johnson & Johnson soon. That dividend yield is looking pretty juicy at 3.34%, and I do believe in Johnson & Johnson long term. I've made lots of videos on them, so gonna keep dollar cost averaging into Johnson & Johnson. Same with Realty Income, even though we are down all time, we're gonna keep buying the discounts, buying the dips, just keep buying the dips on Realty Income. very big dividend yield, 5.72, and Realty Income being one of the biggest REITs. I do believe in that long term as well. So we will be keeping up those recurring investments. And once again, showing the recurring investments, we do have 3 into JEPQ, 2 into Johnson & Johnson, 1 into Realty Income, 5 into Triple Q, 2 into Snap-on, 1 into SPHD, and 6 into VU. It might up the JEPQ recurring investments, get some of those dividend returns. Eventually, we will be filtering out a JEPQ, going into more maybe growth stocks, maybe filtering some of that dividend income over to my public account into those growth stocks. But we will see. You're gonna have to play it by ear with JEPQ. The dividend yield is pretty crazy on that. But we're gonna be just keeping up those recurring investments because we are up all time, up 5% or 4.5%, excuse me. And we do have $1,100 into it, 10% of the portfolio, and that dividend yield is sitting at a 9.76%. And as you can see, our top 3 dividend payers, JEPQ is actually taken number 1. It's actually above Walmart now. So that is very cool to see. With only $1,100, that JEPQ is our number 1 dividend payer. Or just to give an example of how crazy that is, I believe we have about 11 grand into Walmart, and we have 7 grand into VU. So for JEPQ to be that number 1 is pretty crazy. So we're going to keep up these recurring investments, building that JEPQ investment, that annual dividend income, and just keep breaking in those dividends while we still can. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Keeping those challenge videos coming. Annual dividend income's at $387. I will see you guys tomorrow. We will be making a video. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.